Good day, kids! Let's build our multiplication table from top to bottom. What is 1 times 1? 1 times 1 equals 1. What is 2 times 1? 2 times 1 equals... What is 3 times 1? 3 times 1 equals... What is 4 times 1? 4 times 1 equals... What is 5 times 1? 5 times 1 equals... What is 6 times 1? 6 times 1 equals... What is 7 times 1? 7 times 1 equals... What is 8 times 1? 8 times 1 equals... What is 9 times 1? 9 times 1 equals... What is 10 times 1? 10 times 1 equals... What is 1 times 2? 1 times 2 equals... What is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 equals... What is 3 times 2? 3 times 2 equals... What is 4 times 2? 4 times 2 equals... What is 5 times 2? 5 times 2 equals... What is 6 times 2? 6 times 2 equals... What is 7 times 2? 7 times 2 equals... What is 8 times 2? 8 times 2 equals... What is 9 times 2? 9 times 2 equals... What is 10 times 2? 10 times 2 equals... What is 1 times 3? 1 times 3 equals... What is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 equals... What is 3 times 3? 3 times 3 equals... What is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 equals... What is 5 times 3? 5 times 3 equals... What is 6 times 3? 6 times 3 equals... What is 7 times 3? 7 times 3 equals... What is 8 times 3? 8 times 3 equals... What is 9 times 3? 9 times 3 equals... What is 10 times 3. 10 times 3 equals, what is 1 times 4? 1 times 4 equals, what is 2 times 4? 2 times 4 equals, what is 3 times 4? 3 times 4 equals, what is 4 times 4? 4 times 4 equals, what is 5 times 4? 5 times 4 equals, what is 6 times 4? 6 times 4 equals, what is 7 times 4? 7 times 4 equals, what is 8 times 4? 8 times 4 equals, what is 9 times 4? 9 times 4 equals, what is 10 times 4? 10 times 4 equals, what is 1 times 5? 1 times 5 equals, what is 2 times 5? 2 times 5 equals, what is 3 times 5? 3 times 5 equals, what is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 equals, what is 5 times 5? 5 times 5 equals, what is 6 times 5? 6 times 5 equals, what is 7 times 5? 7 times 5 equals, what is 8 times 5? 8 times 5 equals, what is 9 times 5? 9 times 5 equals, what is 10 times 5? 10 times 5 equals, what is 1 times 6? 1 times 6 equals, what is 2 times 6? 2 times 6 equals, what is 3 times 6? 3 times 6 equals, what is 4 times 6? 6 times 4 equals, what is 5 times 6? 5 times 6 equals, what is 6 times 6? 6 times 6 equals, what is 7 times 6? 7 times 6 equals, what is 8 times 6? 8 times 6 equals, what is 9 times 6? 9 times 6 equals, What is 10 times 6? 10 times 6 equals... What is 1 times 7? 1 times 7 equals... What is 2 times 7? 2 times 7 equals... What is 3 times 7? 3 times 7 equals... What is 4 times 7? 4 times 7 equals... What is 5 times 7? 5 times 7 equals... What is 6 times 7? 6 times 7 equals... What is 7 times 7? 7 times 7 equals... What is 8 times 7? 8 times 7 equals... What is 9 times 7? 9 times 7 equals... What is 10 times 7? 10 times 7 equals... What is 1 times 8? 1 times 8 equals... What is 2 times 8? 2 times 8 equals... What is 3 times 8? 3 times 8 equals... What is 4 times 8? 4 times 8 equals... What is 5 times 8? 5 times 8 equals... What is 6 times 8? 6 times 8 equals... What is 7 times 8? 7 times 8 equals... What is 8 times 8? 8 times 8 equals... What is 9 times 8? 9 times 8 equals... What is 10 times 8? 10 times 8 equals... What is 1 times 9? 1 times 9 equals... What is 2 times 9? 2 times 9 equals... What is 3 times 9? 3 times 9 equals... What is 4 times 9? 4 times 9 equals... What is 5 times 9? 5 times 9 equals... What is 6 times 9? 6 times 9 equals... How about 7 times 9? 7 times 9 equals... What is 8 times 9? 8 times 9 equals... What is 9 times 9? 9 times 9 equals... What is 10 times 9? 10 times 9 equals... What is 1 times 10? 1 times 10 equals... What is 2 times 10? 2 times 10 equals... What is 3 times 10? 3 times 10 equals... What is 4 times 10? 4 times 10 equals... What is 5 times 10? 5 times 10 equals... What is 6 times 10? 6 times 10 equals... What is 7 times 10? 7 times 10 equals... What is 8 times 10? 8 times 10 equals... What is 9 times 10? 9 times 10 equals... What is 10 times 10? 10 times 10 equals...
Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math.